Hi, I'm Danny Duran and welcome to my room. I want to share to you the guitars that I still have ever since I started playing guitar professionally in 1981 with bands like MS, Cicada, Powerplay, and Bogislaw Gravity, to name a few. We played in five-star hotels here in the Philippines and also abroad. We did standards, cover versions, jazz and rock music. I'm not a guitar collector. I guess it's more of a sickness. They say it's called gas. It's a guitar acquisition syndrome. Di naman totoo yun. So let's start with my Gibson 1951 ES 150. You can watch me play with this guitar. YouTube, it's uploaded by Almaden. It's called Danny Duran Autumn Leaves. Okay. The next is Guild. It's a Guild double cutaway archstop. Please comment on the model and production date if you know. You can hear me or watch me play this in YouTube. It's called How Great Thou Art by Danny Duran. Okay. The next is 1965 K350. 310, sorry. It's made in US. It's highly modified. It used to have one pickup. Now it had two humbuckers, and and this one's also new. Also the Spurloid, but that's the original shape of the one I took off. No more sign. It's now fretless, see? You can hear me play this in a video that my daughter uploaded, playing with the band called Return Flight. Sa Buhay Ko. It's an original composition made by the bassist and the piano player. Okay. Next, this is my Yamaha Pacifica 112J, made in Taiwan. Two single coils and one humbucking. There it is. Okay. All original. All stock. This is my Vicente Sanchez Requinto classical guitar, made in the 90s, and it is handmade in Spain. It's not in tune anymore. I've been used it. I used this in Japan in Gotemba in 2001. This is my 90s Wildpecker series, WP330. The serial number is at the back, says it's 17638. There it is. It's all stock. It has 2 single coil and 1 humbucker. It's okay. It's made in Japan. This is my 90s, 80s Greco, even Eddie Van Halen. It used to be an Eddie Van Halen, but I customized it into 3 pickups. Now it has 2 rails and the original pickup. It's the original one. There it is. It's the original. It's the serial number. It used to look like this before, with 1 pickup. See? This is my Ibanez 1987 RG 550, made in Japan. I used this in Kumamoto City in 1989. It used to have this color. It looks like this before. With a band called Music Kinesis. It's all stock. The pickups, Floyd Rose. I had this, just this one, so I can make this single coil when I. There it is. You can't see because I had it painted. It's still there, I guess. It's double locking. Those are still the original tuning pegs. If you want to see me play this Ibanez RG 550, you can click on YouTube. Return Flight, band as a band, and the song is She Loves You. It was uploaded by my daughter Ina Santos.